Hello everyone, today we are talking about how to add extra charges while billing in Swilly RP. Step 1. Create billing head of charges. First of all we go to master menu, then click on others. Then select billing head. Now billing head window will pop up. Here we click on the new button to create new billing head master. Here enter the billing head name which you want to create. Then select the account in which you want to do posting of this billing head. Select add less option as add to add it to the bill. Now, select tax calculation method and tax code, sales or purchase, which you want to apply on it. After that select other details, rate, rate-in, HSN, and type of billing which you want to apply on the billing head at your convenience. Then tick mark on the round off option to make the digits in round figure. Now click on the save button. Step 2. Generate sales bill for adding charges. Here we go to the sales menu. Then click on sales invoice. After that, window of sales invoice appears. Click on the new option to create new sales bill. Now, enter the customer name in the column. After that select the product for which you want to create sale bill. Then select the batch details and enter the quantity of product. Now click on the add less button to add the other charges in bill. Here a new pop-up window will appear of Add Less Billing Head on the screen. We select billing head from the drop-down list as other charges. After selecting it, enter the amount, which would be other charges for the selected customer. Now press OK to continue. After adding billing head to the invoice, you will see the amount of the charge in the Add Less column, including tax. Click on the Save button to save the invoice. So this is the process of add extra charges while billing in Swilly RP. Thank you for watching.